Diaries. So today we're making a super simple, super quick and easy recipe. It is my vegan Nutella recipe. If you're like me, you grew up loving Nutella, and then once you go vegan, you can't exactly have Nutella, but that does not mean that you can't have chocolate and hazelnut. So today we're gonna be making a super simple 4-ingredient hazelnut chocolate spread that tastes just like the childhood favorite Nutella. And also we have a special recipe coming next in the next video, so be sure that you make this so that you can have the spread and make the next recipe. So without further ado, let's begin. Actually first start by roasting the raw hazelnuts in the oven just to get them a little bit warm and oily, which makes them just a little bit better to puree into a nut butter. And then we'll add them to a food processor once they've cooled for a few minutes and just let them blend until it basically becomes a nut butter, but it's going to be a pretty coarse nut butter until we add in the rest of the ingredients. So while the hazelnuts are blending in the food processor, I'm actually going to add in a tablespoon of coconut oil, and this will just help the hazelnuts turn into a hazelnut butter a little bit easier. And this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have the hazelnut butter, you're going to add in some melted chocolate. Now I use Enjoy Life chocolate chips here, but you can also use Lily's Sweets if you want a stevia sweetened chocolate chip that is also vegan friendly. You can also use 100% melted chocolate, which is very bitter, and you might want to add in some maple syrup or a little bit of coconut sugar, but we're actually doing a no added sugar except for the chocolate chips Nutella spread here. And then I also like to add in a tablespoon of cacao powder just for an extra rich chocolatey flavor. Once the Nutella is blended, you can actually just scoop it into a jar, and I actually recommend storing this at room temperature because it will start to harden back into chocolate if you put it into the fridge, which is totally fine. You'll just need to melt it slightly if you're going to spread it onto some toast or use it in the recipe that's coming on Friday, or some fluffy vegan pancakes or waffles, or even some dairy-free ice cream, or you could just eat it by the spoonfuls. You love that quick and simple, easy vegan Nutella recipe. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when more videos like this pop up. Also, be sure that you actually hit that subscribe button and bell notification because you're definitely going to be wanting the next recipe that is going to drop on Friday. So good. It's low-key my favorite recipe. And also, plus Jared's grandma, who is 94 years old, loved it. So I've got that going for me. If you want the full written instructions, they are found down below in the description box, and head to the link thebananadiaries.com, linked down below in the description box. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember that you are an incredible human being. You deserve to be here, and I'm always rooting for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.